Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits without an oven. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Also, have 4 tablespoons of very cold butter and 1/2 cup of milk ready. Ensure your pan has a tight lid for even cooking. Now, let's mix our dough. Combine the dry ingredients, then cut in the very cold butter until it looks like coarse crumbs. Slowly add the milk, mixing just until a soft dough forms. Turn the dough onto a floured surface and gently knead it 5 or 6 times. Finally, pat the dough to about 1 inch thick and cut out your biscuit shapes. It is time to cook our biscuits on the stovetop. Preheat your heavy-bottomed pan over medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. Carefully place the cut biscuits into the warm pan, making sure they do not touch each other. Cover the pan tightly and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on the first side. Then, flip them and cook for another 7 to 9 minutes until golden brown. Your delicious, no-oven biscuits are now ready. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick. It should come out clean. The biscuits should be beautifully golden brown on both sides and feel light when lifted. Serve these warm, fluffy treats immediately with your favorite toppings, like butter, jam, or even some savory gravy. Enjoy this simple, satisfying alternative to oven-baked biscuits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.